Okay, now you have the second step, and that is your identify the performance obligation. And what does it mean? It means the performance obligation is basically the promise to transfer testing goods or services. Now we have to discuss that what does it mean by the testing good and services. So here we have the two conditions, and both of these conditions are met. Then that means that these goods or testing goods or services. Now what are the conditions that we show you? Here we have a two condition, and yes, let me do it. These two conditions. The first one is here with the that these goods are capable of being testing. Capable of being testing, which means that the customer can benefit from those goods separately. And the second one is separately identifiable. So if both of these conditions are met, then X means that the goods are testing. Goods or services or testing. And by separately identifiable, it means that the promise is independent of within the contract. Now, separately identifiable have some factor that you have to remember. The first one, that it is not significantly integrated. Second, it's not highly dependent on another item, and it cannot change significantly or modify another item. So this means that they are identifiable, separately identifiable. Now you have to ask the two questions: that can the customer benefit from this separately? If yes, then you ask another question: that is this promise independent from another? So if both are yes, then it means that the goods or services are testing. Okay, and if you have promise to transfer distant goods and services, then means there is performance obligation. And this is the second step when you are recognizing revenue. First, we have to identify the contract. We have discussed this earlier, and then we have some condition for the valid contract. We have also discussed that approval and rights of payment and terms and condition, and then the other step was collectability. All these things we have discussed earlier. Okay, so this is your another step toward recognition of your revenue.